I'm having a ball. Alrighty. Sorry. This little guitar has been to England, to LA, to Austin, where we live, and all the way back. Here we go. This next song's about a kind of midlife crisis. I came from a small town, and I always had this picture of a guy coming out of a bar when I wrote it. Very happy. I'm not due my midlife crisis for at least a little while, but it's called Punchline. Here we go. He's walking out, head in his hands, and he's too drunk to drive. He says out loud, I've been asleep at the wheel my whole damn life. What is it for us today? Oh, he started off thinking you were the top of your game. You were telling jokes with some grace, but by the end of the day, you were looking like the punch lane. Come on now, why don't you spin us another great line? Tell us, you're gonna make 20 and left the time. Fool around while I'm breaking my back to stay above the line. Would it be for us today? Oh, you started off thinking you were the top of your game. You were telling jokes in some ways, but by the end of the day, you were looking like the punch lane. Oh, it's a battle cry. It's a screaming siren down the 305. It's a wedding bell. Roll out the window of a black sedan. But when the fire stops burning, you'll be begging me to start again. Would it be for us today? Oh, you started off thinking you were the top of your game. You were telling jokes with some grace. By the end of the day, you were looking like the punch lane. He says out loud, I've been asleep at the